Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We've shown you pictures of the deck. I'm going to come up here and show you. This is all a rotted tile deck. Water had leaked through the whole system. Joists are rotted out. This entire supporting wall was rotted out. We had to pull it out, reframe it. New top plates, new bottom plates. Complete mess. Anyway, Humpty Dumpty is slowly getting put back together. We had to disconnect the fire sprinkler system, all these utilities. We made a special support rack for the heating system and another part of the refrigerant system back there. So we're in the midst of trying to get it all back together again. I'm going to come out here. So all this is getting re-sheared. And if you take a look, what we're having to do is run all new joist. I won't go through how this was improperly built, never waterproofed properly, and the entire deck leaked in, probably 15 different places without exaggeration. And if you come up here, you can still see a good part of all the damage. This whole wall was damaged. This entire supporting wall was damaged. All these joists, all the sheathing, part of the front beam. So all this is being reframed, redone, and then we'll get back to all the waterproofing and installation of a tile deck. We got rotted walls over there, so it's been quite a mess, but this is what you run into. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another dry rot structural repair job and another waterproof deck project. We'll keep you posted as we go through this. Thank you very much.